Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today learn scaling background. Using the lasso tool, first of all we will make a selection on the subject. Just make a rough selection. Then click to open the channel panel and create an alpha mask layer. To remove the selection, right-click to deselect. Select the background layer and right-click to create a duplicate layer, Ctrl+J, then OK. Select the crop tool and hide the background layer. Press the Hold Alt key, extend background. Go the Edit menu, scroll down, select the Contact Aware Scale, Alt+Shift+Ctrl+C. Click to protect. I have already create alpha layer, select now. Press hold the Alt key, stretching background. Then OK. I will show you before and after scaling background. Hope you liked this video very much. Who are new on my channel, subscribe my channel, like, share and comments. Don't forget press the bell icon. Bye.